In America, crime doesn't just get punished, it gets monetized. This is the story of how one company made billions turning prisoners into profit. It's legal, it's public, and it's happening right now. This is GEO Group, the business of incarceration, the origin story, how GEO Group was born to lock people up. In the 1980s, US prisons were overflowing. The war on drugs was packing cells faster than the government could build them. So one company had an idea. What if we ran prisons like a private business? Enter GEO Group. Originally called Wackenhut Corrections, it was a spin-off of a private security firm. By 2003, they rebranded as GEO Group, and they went global, running prisons in the US, Australia, South Africa, and the UK. They didn't just build prisons, they owned them, operated them, and leased them, all while collecting checks from governments. The business model was simple. Beds equals revenue. Here's how it works. GEO signs multi-year contracts with governments to detain inmates, immigrants, or parolees. The contract pays per head per day. So the more people locked up, the more money GEO makes. Revenue in 2023, over $2.4 billion. And they're not just in prisons. They own halfway houses, electronic ankle monitoring programs, and immigrant detention centers. Yep, even ICE contracts. Especially ICE contracts. In 2021, the Biden administration banned private prisons for federal inmates. GEO stock plummeted. Investors panicked. Wall Street thought it was over. But GEO, well, they found the cheat code. They stopped contracting directly with the government and started using third-party operators. Now, GEO owns the prison. Another company runs it, and the government keeps paying. Result? Stock bounced back, up over 50% since the drop. GEO beat the system with the system. But the profits, they come at a cost. Former inmates report abuse, neglect, and medical malpractice. Families say they were denied visitations. And there are claims of detainees being forced to work for 13 cents an hour. In 2017, GEO donated $225,000 to the Trump PAC. Later that year, they landed a $110 million ICE detention contract. Coincidence or political ROI? This isn't just about one company. It's about a system that rewards mass incarceration. And the truth is, GEO Group isn't failing. It's thriving. They're launching re-entry programs, electronic monitoring tech, and expanding immigrant detention centers. Because as long as people are being locked up, GEO gets paid. Stock may have dipped to $6, but the business never died. Because in America, justice is a revenue stream.